Hi students, welcome back to our video series on C++ programming, and today we are going to start with unit 4, which is functions. Okay, and I hope I am explaining you the concepts in simplest way and you can understand it better now. Okay, and if this is true, then please give your feedback in comments. Okay, so today we will start with unit 4, which is functions. Clear? And you have already studied about the function in C programming in your last year, correct? Functions are nothing but the block of statement, or you can say that the collection of statements to perform a particular task. Okay, like we have add function will add the numbers, okay, will perform the additions. Clear? And you have printf function will print some value, some display some value, correct? So in that way we have different functions, correct? Now functions, there are three steps. When we write function, we follow these three steps. One is function declaration. Okay, in this we just declare that this is the function, this is the return type, and this function will take this number of arguments. Okay, so we are just declaring, and this is function declaration. After that we perform, we give the definition for that function. Okay, definition is the actual code what that function is going to perform, that is the function definition. Okay, after that we call that function, declare, we have declared the function, we provide the definition, then we need to call that function. Okay, so for function call we can call the function either by value or by reference. Okay, so in today's video we are going to see how this function call by value and call by reference will work. Okay, so let's start with program directly. Okay, so first I will write what, I will include the header file, correct? IO stream. Okay, after that we'll write what, using namespace std. Clear? Okay, now let me define one function here. Okay, let's say I have one function void swap. Okay, in this function I am going to swap two numbers. Let's say int a comma int b, these two numbers I am going to swap in this function. Okay, so here I require one temporary variable. In this variable I am putting the value of a. Okay, in a I am putting the value of b, and in b again I am putting the value of f. This is the simplest program again. Okay, so we are swapping the values for a and b with the help of a temporary variable. Clear? Okay, now let me write the main function. So main function, in main function here I want to call the uh, swap function. Clear? Okay, so here I am taking two values. So int a is equal to, let's say, 10, and here I have int b is equal to 20. So we have values for a and b as 10 and 20. Okay, so if you are getting confused, let me change the name. X and y will take. Okay, so in function swap we have a and b, and here in main function we have x and y. Okay, now we just call the function swap here with the value of x and y. Okay, and after this we just want to display the value. Clear? So see out, I'm displaying the value of x, and let me put endl here, and y. Okay, so this is the function for. Okay, let me save this, or we'll put it as func. Clear? Okay, this is my program. Here we have written one function, define one function swap with value of a and b, and we are swapping the values for a and b. And here I am calling this swap function with value 10 and 20. Okay, so when we call the function, this will go to the function definition, correct? In function definition, a will replace with 10 and b will get replaced with 20, correct? After that, temp is equal to a, the value of a is 10, so value of temp is 10 now. After that we are putting the value of b, which is 20, in a, so value of a is 20 now, correct? And after that we are putting the value of 10, which is 10 in what, B. Here we write B. Clear? Okay. So we have swapped the values for A and B. After swapping, the value of A and B becomes what? 20 and 10. Okay. And finally, we are displaying the value for X and Y here. Okay. Which we have swapped. Okay. Now let me just execute this program and we'll check the result. Okay. So after swapping, this value should change, right? This is again, it is 10 and 20. The value has not changed. It is same, correct? So this is what call by value gives you. Okay. So when you use call by value, this is your actual variables and the formal variables, and the compiler creates a separate memory, separate copy for actual variable and formal variable. So when this function is performing operations, it is on the formal variable, and after the return from the function, this whatever changes it has done, so it all get destroyed. Okay, and it is back to the original value. This is the drawback of your function, of your call by value. Okay, now let me show you about call by reference. Okay, so to overcome this, we use call by reference. So here, instead of passing the value, I will pass what? Address. Okay, so as we are passing address here, we require pointer. So let me just include here. Okay, like this. Okay, now we will see the result. Okay, let me save this, execute this. So here your value has changed to 20 and 10. Okay, because in call by reference we pass the address, correct, and not the actual value. So whatever changes we are doing, is at the address. Understood? So this is the main difference between call by value and call by reference. Okay, and how it works. Clear? Okay, now there is one more concept in C++, which is call by reference variable. So that I will cover in our upcoming videos. Okay, so I hope you understood the concept, and if you have any doubt, any query, you can ask in the comment box. And that's it for today. Don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.